raids on Discord servers are very frequent, and that's why a lockdown command is necessary for your bot. I've used the lockdown command multiple times, and because my server has been raided, or at least attempted to be raided multiple times. Good thing I have an anti-raid bot which prevents that. But let's say lots of people are spamming your server, you're gonna need this command. So without further ado, let's get straight into making it. So here I am in my Visual Studio Code, or whatever coding editor you use, it doesn't matter. And what we're gonna do is start off by doing client.command. And by the way, yes, this command does work in cogs. I will be going along the way showing how, like, the cogs version to do it. So inside here, we're gonna call it lock, and inside over here, we're gonna add a CTX attribute, and if you are in cogs, you're gonna add self before it just in case, or I mean that's required. And then we're gonna add a channel which says Nextcord dot text channel. Make sure text channel is capitalized like so, and then equals none. And then add another comma, and this is gonna be setting equals none. I'll show you how we add the setting in just a bit. Now what we want to do is we want to check if channel equal is none. Then what you want to do is do channel equals ctx dot message dot channel. So whatever channel the message is sent in, that'll automatically equal the channel, and that means you won't have to specify the channel if you're just trying to lock down the channel that you're currently in. Additionally, we're going to do await channel dot set permissions, and then in here do ctx dot guild dot default underscore role, and yeah, and then add a comma, so reason equals f string that like so, and then do ctx dot author dot name, and then do lock channel dot name. So anytime somebody uses this command, it'll put down that person in like the reasoning in the audit log. Let's say I do it, it would say glow stick locked down general. That's what it would say. And then we wanted to send a confirmation message, so we can do await ctx.send locked channel down like so, and this will basically just return. This is just the simplest lockdown command you can find, and you'll find this all over if you look on Stack Overflow, if you look on other servers. But this is where the setting attribute comes into play, and this is where things start to get different. We want to add if setting is, or actually equals, and this time do -- server, because let's say a raid actually happens on your server. What you're gonna need to do is lock down all the channels, but if you manually lock down each and every channel, it's gonna take a lot of time, and by that time the raid might even be done and you might just be filled up with spam. So instead, what you can do is you could use this attribute to automatically instantly lock down every single channel just by using one command, which will help a lot, as you will see. So over here, you want to add for channel in ctx.guild.channels and open that up, and what you want to do is just copy this, and then after you copy that, add a bit of reasoning to it as well, to saying with --server. And I forgot one last thing here. Add another comma in both of these to send underscore messages equals false, and then you just want to copy this and then paste it right here as well, because that's the actual thing that's gonna change it. And then have it and break out of the for loop by indenting out, and then do await tx, let's send, and we can add another confirmation message such as lock down server, and that's it. Now this is a very bootleg one. I expect yours to be better, at least have an embed or something, and that would be a lot better because it would look nicer and it would have more functionality to it. But yeah, this is, I guess, a bare bones server lockdown, and this would work. I use this on my bot, I use this across my servers, and it works. Let's hop into Discord and let's check it out. Okay, so here I am in my Discord, which you should totally join, by the way, link down below in the description. And what I'm gonna be doing is just locking. I'm just gonna be testing the thing out. So what we want to do is, let's just do help, make sure everything works. Okay, so it does say lock, so we are on track. And then what we can do is lock, and it has locked the channel down. You're like, has it? But I'm owner and I can do anything that I want, so that doesn't apply to me. But if we look over here in the everyone tab, send messages is turned off, so we can undo that. And then let's do, this is gonna lock the entire server, dlock -- server, and it'll take some time. It would be like 5 seconds because that's to go through every single channel, but then it will say locked server down. And I forgot to actually add a channel, so we will have to add a channel, but it's fine because look, you could add dlock channel, dlock, and then server. It will override this automatically, and that's why the command wasn't actually functioning. But now if you give it some time, it should do it, and there has been no error. And look, locked down server right here. And now what we can do is go into here and then go to audit log, and you'll see every single server it changed over, every single channel. And yeah, it works just like that. So then what we can do is, if we hop back into Visual Studio Code, we can create another one of those. So just repaste this in here and then change this to unlock, and let's change everything else. So unlock channels, unlocked server, and then what you're gonna have to do is just change this to unlocked, and lastly change send messages to true, like so. So now if we were to run the bot again and go into Discord, and after the bot comes online here, which it should any second now, and there we go, it did come online, we can do unlock general -- server, and it'll take its time. Once again, we can actually see it happening. Okay, there we go, and then go to audit log, and boom, granted permission. So resent it and it granted the permission. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit subscribe, it really helps out the channel. But yeah, till next time, glow stick out. See ya.